Hello friends, are you ready for story time? Have you ever wondered why my channel is called Lady in the Hat? Well, it is named after the famous character created by Dr. Seuss called Cat in the Hat. And this is the book that we're going to read today. There is no place like space. This book, however, is a little old. When I was a child and in school, I learnt about 9 planets in the solar system. But now, the scientists only recognize 8 planets because one of them, the one which is farthest away, Pluto, is no longer considered a planet by the scientists. But nevertheless, let's read the story and let's enjoy space with Cat in the Hat. I'm the Cat in the Hat and I'm off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars and the sun. There is no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high. We can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, you will soon see the planets in our solar system. There are 9 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Mercury's close to the sun's burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. On Venus, the weather is always the same. Hot, dry and windy with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here is a clue. It is my home and home to Thing 1 and Thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It is the third from the sun. It is our planet, Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day and it never will stop. The question had Thing 1 and Thing 2 in a tizzy. If the Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way because we are spinning right with it, right now, every day. Next, here is Mars. It is the color of rust. We sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it is bigger than all other planets combined. Saturn has rings. It's so light, who would think? It could float in an ocean and not even sink. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has a lot of these objects around it. There are colors in the space and I will show some to you. Neptune, you see, is a beautiful blue. If you lived on Pluto, it should not be nice. Some astronomers think it is covered with ice. It is chilly and cold every night and all day, for the sun's just a speck in the sky far away. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Thing 2 wants to be one. In fact, so do I. Now, we have seen all the 9 planets. Now, here is a trick to remember their names. And remember them quick. Say, Mallory, Valerie, Emily, pizzas. Just served us 999 pizzas. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets you name. Now here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars and you can see with your eyes. It's a star dot to dot. Use your imagination and you will see a big picture we call constellation. A dog, the great bear, Leo the lion, the bull, Taurus the bull, and a hunter named Orion. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favorite one. You can't live without it. The star called the sun. From the earth it looks big. There is one reason why. It's the closest to the earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful. Never look right into the sun. Your eyes would get hurt and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute. 1 million of our earths could all fit right in it. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror reflects the sun's light. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go. Fly back to the stars and take things 1 and 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something that's new. So did you enjoy the story, friends? So click like, subscribe and share and let the magic begin. So keep watching Story Time with the Lady in the Hat.